from me and from Fred. Our new sound today is ooh. 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 Ooh, ooh, ooh. Picture time. So here's a man and he is cleaning up some elephant poo. And he's saying, poo at the zoo. Poo at the zoo. Poo at the zoo. Let's try some words with ooh. Ooh. Two. Z. Ooh. Zoo. P. Ooh. All. Pool. One more from Fred. S. P. Ooh. N. Spoon. So here it is. Ooh. Special friends. Two letters that make one sound. So let's put ooh in our pack. Remember to point when you see ooh. So in he goes. Ready? O. E. A. I. Unk. Ch. Ng. Sh. Ooh. Keep going. O. E. A. I. Unk. Ch. Ng. Sh. Ooh. Okay, last time. Now it's your turn. Ew, well done if you spotted it. Say super speedy sounds. Let's read some words with ooh in them. We're going to do special friends, Fred talk, read the word. I'll show you. Special friends, ooh, p, ooh, all, pool, ooh, ooh, moon, ooh, s, p, ooh, spoon, ooh, z, ooh, zoo, ooh, f, ooh, d, food, ooh, t, ooh, two. Now your turn. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Well done. Say super speedy reading. Now we're going to read some words with some sounds that we should already know. Again, we're going to do special friends, Fred talk, read the word, and I'll show you. Special friends, o, s, l, o, slow, a, p, l, a, play, e, b, e, n, bean, I, hi. Special friends, l, e, o, n, lemon. Special friends, f, l, o, p, flop. Okay, your turn. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Well done. If you read those words, you can give yourself a microwave. Okay, get your aliens out. Beep, beep. We're going to read some nonsense words. Remember, these aren't real. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Ch, ab, chab. And or. Or. Nello. Your turn. Say, what a load of nonsense. Okay, so now it's time to pause the video to get yourself a pen and paper because we're going to write some words with our new sound, which is oo. So, first word is pool. Count the sounds in pool. And Joey. 3. Pinch the sounds. Write it down. You may want to pause it. Pool. To write pool, I need p, oo, full. Underline my special friends, and I can tick. P, tick, oo, tick, oo, pool. Our next word is spoon. Count the sounds and chubby. Ooh, spoon. Write it down. To write spoon, I need spoon. Tick it or fix it. Maybe you could try some more oo words at home. Well done, boys and girls. You can read and write with oo. See you next time.